Nature's Secret Weapons. Top 10 Natural Products for Combating Sagging Skin. Are you ready to embark on a journey through nature's most potent remedies for sagging skin? Prepare to be amazed as we unveil these 10 natural wonders that could revolutionize your skincare routine. But here's the burning question. Which one of these might be the missing piece in your quest for youthful, firm skin? 1. Rosehip Seed Oil. The Time Traveler. Imagine a drop of golden elixir that could transport your skin back in time. That's the magic of rosehip seed oil. But what makes this particular oil so special? The secret lies in its molecular structure, but the real mystery is how it seems to understand exactly what your skin needs. 2. Aloe Vera Gel, the desert's hydration miracle. We all know aloe vera soothes sunburns, but did you know it's secretly an anti-aging powerhouse? This succulent holds a gel that's 99% water, yet it firms skin like nothing else. How can something so simple be so effective? The answer will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about hydration. 3. Shea Butter, Africa's golden secret. Imagine a beauty secret so powerful it's been guarded by generations of African women. Shea butter isn't just a moisturizer, it's a time-honored tradition. But here's the kicker. Its effectiveness might be linked to how it's harvested under the African sun. Is it just a coincidence, or is there more to this story? 4. Green tea extract, the antioxidant warrior picture. An army of antioxidants battling the villains causing your skin to sag. Exciting, right? But what if I told you this epic fight is happening on your skin every day with green tea extract? Well, its power goes beyond just fighting free radicals. But how? 5. Gotu Kola extract, the ancient memory. Herb used for centuries to boost brain power, Gotu Kola has a secret talent. It's a skincare superstar. But how did an herb known for memory enhancement end up being a top-tier remedy for sagging skin? Doge. The connection will surprise you. 6. Hyaluronic acid, the moisture magnet. Did you know your skin can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water? But here's the catch. It needs the right ingredient to do so. Enter hyaluronic acid, nature's own moisture magnet. But the real question is, how does this molecule perform such an incredible feat? 7. Pomegranate seed oil, the fruit of youth. Pomegranates have been symbols of fertility and abundance for millennia. But could they also hold the key to firm, youthful skin? The answer lies in a unique acid found in its seeds, and its effects on your skin are nothing short of miraculous. A jojoba oil, the skin whisperer. What if there was an oil so similar to your skin's natural sebum that your skin couldn't tell the difference? Jojoba oil is nature's doppelganger to human sebum. But why does this similarity make it so effective against sagging? The answer might change how you view your skin's relationship with oil forever. 9. Sea buckthorn oil, the berry that defies time. Thriving in the harshest of climates, sea buckthorn berries hold an oil that seems to defy time itself. A rich in a rare omega-7 fatty acid, it doesn't just nourish your skin, it transforms it. But how can a tiny berry from unforgiving landscapes hold so much power? 10. Egg white mask, the kitchen facelift. Who would have thought that the secret to firmer skin was sitting in your refrigerator all along? An egg white mask is like a mini facelift, but how can something so delicate have such a strong effect? The science behind it will crack open your perception of everyday ingredients. As you explore these natural wonders, remember that the true beauty of these products lies not just in their effectiveness, but in the stories they carry. Tales of ancient wisdom, natural resilience, and the incredible bounty of our planet. Isn't it amazing how nature provides everything we need for beautiful, ageless skin? As you incorporate these natural anti-aging marvels into your routine, you'll not only see the difference, but feel it too. The confidence that comes with firm, radiant skin is priceless. So, which of these natural treasures will you try first? Your journey to naturally firm, youthful skin begins now. Remember, the most beautiful thing you can wear is confidence. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.